hand.
Move that.
Really? Are you videotaping? Funny Home Videos?
Oh man.
Trying to fight it.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Really?
I love this dog.
I can't hold the camera still.
He's lost it.
So maybe further down. Oh, he looks like he's gonna roll over his back.
He's like, okay, they like this. They think it's cute. They'll let me in.
That's the best part when he's like this.
It looks like he's almost succeeded. At least I know he's got some pretty clean teeth now.
Oh my
You got a pretty mouth.
god. I can't hold it still.
How long do you think he'll do that for?
Until he dies.
One desire.
We could technically let him in, but this is too fun.
I don't know why he keeps trying. It's like attention.
Well, hell, at least that side of the window is gonna be clean.
Oh god, wrong thing.
What?
Oh, what?
Good to know.
The weird thing was, it was saying that, but it's showing less. What the hell? It's not stopping.